how to add password to a PDF file. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. First things first, you can just go ahead and open up your PDF file. In my case, I have this one as an example. You want to click on the open with button, and from here you want to open your PDF file with the Microsoft Word. Go ahead and click on OK, and you want to click on continue. Now right after that, wait for the page to load in, and the only thing that you do is to go ahead and click on the file, click on the save as, and from here you want to go ahead and select the file path for this folder right here. Once again, you want to save it as a PDF format, and from here you can just go ahead and name this any way you want to. And most importantly, inside you want to click on the options button, and right below this pop-up menu you want to click on the encrypt the document with a password. Go ahead and click on continue, and from here we can then go ahead and enter the password that we want to put into our PDF file. Go ahead and click on save, and we should be good to go. So if I open this file right here, it should go ahead and have a password. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.